product manager at Airbnb and also an instructor at the product school. The first 6 weeks of the course, we teach you the hard skills that you need to be a product manager. The last 2 weeks, we teach you about interview skills and also how to actually land that job. The course is 8 weeks long. There's 2 parts to every single session. There's always a lecture and then there's always a big group exercise. On the side, students are working for 7 weeks towards a big final project as well that they present to the entire class. I chose to teach at the product school because I wanted to be a part of the biggest PM community and be a part of what I saw as very knowledgeable instructors coming from some of the best companies around. And I'm also very passionate about building the next generation of product managers. Some advice that I have for an aspiring product manager is to definitely take the course, but also to become as involved as you can in the product management community. So join Slack channels, read blogs online, talk to friends, anything that you can do to learn a little bit more about it.